Oh, you want to know how to make it?
Okay. So what you put in there first?
1/4 cup flour.
Okay.
And 1/4 cup sugar. I like to use brown sugar, but you could use white sugar.
Whatever kind of sugar you got your hands on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
A dash of salt.
Salt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Make 2 dry ingredients a little. Oh wait, I need more dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons / 1/8 of a cup of cocoa powder.
Stephanie's is done.
Well, I don't know. No, it's not quite done.
Not yet.
Oh, that was hot.
Are you making a YouTube video?
No.
No, I was actually just getting my recipe.
This is just for his personal use. It's an intimate brownie experience. Okay. And then 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of, the recipe actually calls for water, but I like to use a milk instead.
Why?
I don't know, because I figured it would be better.
Okay. She doesn't. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's fine. I'm gonna do it the way you do it. You can get chocolate chips in mine too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if this handle gets really hot. Okay, I think this one's done. Apparently in Judy's microwave they take 2 minutes.
Mine is good.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, okay, I think it's done. Alright, so it's got the chocolate chips in it. Did you want any other accessories? Okay, so it's hot.
Thank you very much.
And I think it's done. The handle is hot too.
Okay.
I'm eating these chocolate chips.
Yeah, how do you do this? Is really cool.
It's just a recipe from the newspaper.
She says it's just a recipe from the newspaper. Okay.
My mom cut it out like 10 years ago.
No way.
Yeah, like a long time ago, I think.
So you got to mix that all kind of super.
Mm-hmm.
This is from Dad.
What do you say?
Thanks for dinner.
Oh.
Is it good?
No, right now I'm making chocolate. I'll make yours. Alright, now what do you want? Chocolate chips?
Chocolate chips, yeah.
Do you want any other additions?
No, just chocolate chips. Good.
I'm gonna be like death by chocolate here.
What? What is it? I don't want a brownie.
I'm gonna make you one.
I know.
She's making you a special one, though.
I gotta go get your new mug from Erin.
Yeah.
Here somewhere.
But that one is big. It'd be perfect for a brownie.
But Aaron
so
Ryan
good.
gave you a nice mug.
Yeah, and you're gonna love it.
Okay. Is it microwavable?
We don't know yet.
Aren't all mugs ceramic?
Okay.
Are not all mugs?
No, they're not.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're not all. No, they're not all microwavable. What? No. What would make you think that?
They're ceramic.
That doesn't mean they're microwavable.
It doesn't?
No.
You just shattered everything I thought I knew about the microwave.
I think he's pulling your leg. I think they are all microwavable.
No, they're not.
I think they are.
No, they're not.
I think
I'm not giving her my opinion.
I don't know.
I'm stating a fact.
I don't know.
I mean, Judy knows a lot of stuff.
Judy's hot.
I would hope that you had more experience with the microwave than what Judy does. Because you live by yourself, so you're probably not normally cooking for a lot of people.
Mm-mm. I don't have a microwave, though.
Never mind.
I never used a microwave.